If you've been wondering how to check if Telegram is hacked or not, this video is going to walk you through the exact steps you need to take right now. Whether you're noticing strange messages, unknown logins, or just want peace of mind, checking your active sessions and securing your account is one of the smartest things you can do. And if this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tech guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the Telegram PC app and sign into your account. Using the desktop app makes it much easier to review all of your connected devices in one place. Once you're logged in, look to the top left corner and click the menu icon, which looks like 3 horizontal lines. From there, select Settings. In the Settings menu, find and click Privacy and Security. This section is where Telegram keeps the most important account protection options, including session activity and login security. Now, scroll until you see Active Sessions, then click it. This is the most important part of the process because it shows every device currently signed in to your Telegram account. Take your time and review the list carefully. You may see your phone, your computer, or other devices you recognize. But if you notice any device that does not belong to you, or any location, device name, or login time that seems suspicious, that could be a sign someone else has access to your account. If you find anything unfamiliar, click the X icon next to that device to log it out immediately. This will remove that session and disconnect that device from your Telegram account. If you want to be extra safe, you can also log out of other unknown sessions, one by one, until only your own devices remain. After that, the next step is extremely important. Change your password. Even if you only found one suspicious session, updating your password helps make sure it does not happen again. Creating a new strong password gives your account a fresh layer of protection and makes it much harder for anyone to get back in. If Telegram prompts you to confirm the change, follow the on-screen instructions carefully and complete the update. Once that is done, your account should be much more secure. And while you're here, it's a good idea to double-check your other security settings too, just to make sure everything looks correct. So to recap, open Telegram on PC, go to Settings, open Privacy and Security, check Active Sessions, remove any device you do not recognize, and then change your password right away. That's the fastest way to check if Telegram is hacked or not and secure your account before any more damage can happen. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful videos, and I'll see you in the next one.